So this is the vehicle we are going to review today. It's a 2017 Bolero mini truck, and it is the plus version, as you can see on the logo, and it has a turbocharged engine. And this is the back of the mini truck, and this specific variant has a payload capacity of 1000 kilograms. And let's quickly get in because I don't want to block the road. Oh, I love the interior here, and the owner has also done some upgrades to it and it looks really nice. So one thing that I find really annoying in this truck is you have to open the door in order to be able to pull down the handbrake. So that is time consuming actually. Finally we can go. And it seems like it's been a while since anyone has driven this vehicle, as I can see a lot of dust on the windscreen, so let's try to clean it. Oh, what is this dog doing in the middle of the road? Go away please. Thank you. Oh man, I still can't see the screen. Now it's better. So one of the first things you notice when you drive this mini truck is you are sitting up quite high compared to the seating position of a car, so that you can clearly see what is in front of you, making it really convenient. And this Bolero has a total length of around 2500 millimeters, which is around 8 foot. But surprisingly, you don't feel it when you are driving it around corners and when you want to make turns. So the body roll is well contained. In terms of the noise, you can hear quite a lot of noise outside, and you can also hear the sound of the engine since it's a diesel. So it's a mini truck, guys, don't expect it to be quiet. In terms of suspension, you can definitely feel the bumps and potholes on the road. It is not as comfortable as something like a Toyota Hilux, but it is doable, it's manageable, it's not uncomfortable, but you will definitely notice the bumps on the road. Wow, the roads are really busy today. People have come out since today is a Saturday evening rather. So we will have to be careful when we are driving around. Oh, here comes another mini pickup truck. It's a Mitsubishi actually. Nice. So in terms of the engine, this has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine which puts out around 65 brake horsepower, and it has a torque of around 200 Newton meters. and it's a turbocharged engine, and you can actually hear a bit of turbo sound when you accelerate and lift off the throttle at once. That's a beautiful sedan. Is that an Audi A3? Is it? Yes, it is. Oh, cricket bats, stumps. It seems like they are going to play cricket. Nice. Now let's see whether we can overtake this three-wheeler. I think we can. Yes, I think we have enough space. Nice little punch. Holy moly. Good brakes too. So this is why it is important as a driver to always think that there is another vehicle coming on the other side of the road, so that you are always prepared, especially when you are taking a bend. And that was a perfect example. But I'm surprised by the brake performance and overall brake balance for a mini truck. So we have disc brakes in the front and we have the drum brakes in the rear, and they are really strong. So in terms of driving dynamics, this truck really excels at that, and even when it comes to body roll, it's very well contained and brakes are really strong. The steering wheel is not as responsive as a steering wheel in a car, but it is good for a pickup truck, and it goes around corners like crazy, and I'm really surprised how well it handles. Maybe it has more to do with the firm suspension that I was talking about earlier, and yeah, when it comes to handling, it is really good. And don't forget, this is really economical to run as well, because if you look at the fuel cost of the car, this can easily return you around 16 to 17 kilometers per liter, and this has a fuel tank capacity of around 45 liters. And if you are looking for something like a Toyota Hilux, which will be like twice the price of this truck, this is actually a good option if you don't have enough money to go for an Hilux. But just bear in mind that the cargo area of this Bolero pickup trucks, they tend to decay faster, and you will have to deal with rusting over time. So you need to ensure, if you are looking for a truck, at least buy a truck that was manufactured at least in 2017 or above, because I do not recommend buying anything that was manufactured before 2017 for the reasons that I just told you. So yeah, other than that, it is really a good pickup truck that I can recommend. And guys, I almost forgot to mention about the gear shift. Well, this is a manual, but it's really not that difficult to shift gears, and the clutch is not too grabby. It's nice and easy, especially if you are used to drive manual vehicles. It's just a piece of cake. And for those who don't often drive manual vehicles, it might take some getting used to, especially when you are changing from third gear to fourth. But really, it's not that big of a deal, and I don't see any issues driving this even in heavy traffic. Oh yes, I love that little punch. And I miss driving vehicles with manual transmission. So satisfying when you change gears, isn't it? So guys, that is it from me today, and I hope you enjoy the video, and let me know in the comment section whether you prefer to have this type of video or the videos that we used to do. So thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next one.